So in this Notes app tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to sort notes on Apple Notes. So if I were to go to on my iPhone right here and select notes, I'm just going to go ahead and create a bunch of different notes right here with just starting with different letters. So I have B, I'll go ahead, that's one note right there. I'll go ahead and have Z, that's another note right there. I'll go ahead and have H, and I will go ahead and have L. Okay, so if you wanted to sort this alphabetically, for example, so not just in regards to like the last one that you edited, etc., go to the top right, press on the three dots, then go to in the middle to where it says sort by. Then you can go ahead and change this to whatever you want. So if you wanted to do by the title, you can go ahead and do this and it'll sort alphabetically. If you want to do sorted by the dates descending or whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and do it that way. So whatever you guys want, go ahead and press sort. Bunch of different sort titles right here. You can go ahead and select and kind of go from there. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to sort notes on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.